Alrighty, folks, here we go. One more time. Yep, he's trying to get to the show. Y'all are already here. That's a good deal. But here we go. What we got 6.8 Spc. Got another Bear Creek upper that we are firing off through, and we're just going to see what kind of expansion we get on these at 100 yards, and we're going to see what the groupage is on these as well. So y'all stay tuned and see what these little zippers do. Alright, here we go. This is 6.8 SPC. We're at 100 yards, just doing the zero, checking the group, and see what we got. Right here is might need to make some adjustments, but I'm going to do a 3-shot group just to do it before I start moving, just to see where it's grouping. Shooting at the bottom target. If it comes up on that camera, because that's probably going to look blurry because it's not zoomed in good. I tell you, this fire field is nice. I can pretty much see the numbers on those little targets down there. I mean, that's how clear the picture is. This is their 5x20. I'll have to look at the model of it, but there'll be a video on this coming later. We double the hole. I'm having magazine issues today. I mean, these are just, they're fitting like super snug. I mean, almost like they're just borderline not fitting. The hole. That's high. Hell yeah. Alright folks, here we go. What we got going on here, we got a flyer. We actually got two in the same hole. I mean, damn near literally rounded up in the same hole. Right there. And then we got this one right next to it. This is 100 yards. This is the Deer Season XP in 6.8 SPC. Right there. 1.64 without the flyer, under half an inch. That is pretty good. There's the expansion going on right there if you want a little cross reference on a quarter. What we got. Not a bad looking bullet. Mushroom. Got 0.56 right there, top to bottom. 0.33, almost 3.4. Out of, how many grains are these? 115. Out of 115, we got 74. So we lost 41. Not too bad. Like I said, we went from that to that. So it's definitely, it's a good looking bullet right there. I'm impressed with that. That is definitely impressive, and so is that fire field, the clarity of it. I mean, yeah, this was upside down, but I could almost read these numbers out plain as day through that scope at 100 yards. And that is it. There you go, Deer Season XP. A little bit of groupage for y'all, a little bit of expansion for y'all, and thanks for watching.